Okay, we've been working on the headliner all day. Come on. Come on. Come over here. Come around here. God, you're a silly dog. Sit. Sit. Yeah, we're doing a video. Anyway, so we got the front all glued and we got the back all glued all the way across. I'm not sure if it'll be for the very last time or not, but there's a lot of wrinkles in these cheapy, I don't know what this material is called. This material that they make headliners out of these days is really rubbery and really stretchy, so it takes a lot of effort to put it in. It's not like an old cloth headliner that you just, kind of stretched it a little bit and glued it and you were done. But these things have all these wrinkles in them that I don't know if you can see from there, but up here you can see all these side wrinkles, lengthwise wrinkles. Some of them will come out when I glue the edges of the sides, but you don't want to glue the sides until you let it relax real good, and it's only been in here for today, so it hasn't really gotten relaxed that well. It did get nice and warm, like 85 today, so it was a nice kind of warm day to get it started and at least get it glued on the front and the back. And I hope this stuff is holding, because I was having a really hard time getting it to stay, but it seems to be staying. So far so good. So the only thing we got left, go ahead, get out if you're getting out. Alright, come on. Here we go. Dogs. Anyway, so all we got left is to put foam soundproofing back in the inside those holes, and then on the outside of those holes, right in that corner, there's like a poofy little fuzzy thing that goes there, little to cover the big hole in the metal. But you got to have everything done first. You got to have those chromes on the outside and the paint done, which isn't done, so those corners right there aren't going to be done anytime soon, because I got a bunch of stuff I've got to do paint work wise, so I can put the chromes on there and then we can finish the headliner. But at least for now, if I can just get the sides and the front and the back all glued and tight and get all the wrinkles out, I'll be happy with that. At least instead of this being white, it will be black, because it looked awful white with a black interior of a car. I think back in the day, though, they pretty much put all of them white. They didn't have black headliners per se back in 1965. I think they were all white, but it's looking a lot nicer now. All we got left to do is get all the dust from touching it off all the way down there over here. Get all that off. That makes it look a lot better. And then stuff this back in here. There it goes, like so. kind of stuff that in there like that, I guess. But little by little, she's getting better and better. Seems to be holding pretty good. I don't know if I got this side over here pulled tight enough in the front. I might have to pull that corner down and retighten it and re-glue it, because it's a little bit loose, but still looks 10 times better than it did before. With the white one with the big rip holes in it, for sure. So tomorrow, all we got left to do is glue the sides and put in that soundproofing back there. So we'll be back then.